Hi everyone, I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about language arts and a phonics lesson that we're going to be doing this week. So far in language arts, we've been going over the long vowel sounds, A, E, I, O, and U, and we've been starting to uncover a lot of the spellings that those long vowels have. In particular, this week we're going to review the long E spellings we've gone over and then uncover the last two. So far, here's our long E card. We've gone over the E, can sometimes say long E, E blank E, EE, and EA. Well, this week we're going to review these and uncover the last two, which are Y and then this IE. Now, for this Y, for my kids, I give them a little trick that when they're reading and Y comes at the end of a word, if there's more than 3, Y says E. So if you see that word and it has more than 3 letters, that Y is probably going to say E. If it's less than 3 or 3, that Y is going to make the long I sound. That's just a little trick to help you when you're reading. Now this IE spelling is usually found inside of a word, in the middle, because I know that this means letters have to come before, and this means that letters have to come after. Today we're going to look at the Y and IE in particular, because this Y, when it comes at the end of a word and there's more than one, we drop this Y and add the spelling IES. And I'm going to show you with a couple nouns how that works. So let's take a look at my chart here. So you're going to see 4 nouns that all end with Y. And let's use our little trick. More than 3, yep, Y says E. So these are all going to make the long E sound. Help me read these. Baby, puppy, that's right, cherry, and bunny. You notice they all end with Y. Now, if I want to make this the plural form, or that means there's more than one, I drop the Y and add IES. I'm going to do the first one with you, and then this last 3 I want you to try on your own, and then let's compare if we got the right answer. So, the first word is baby, but let's say I want the word babies. For example, I saw 3 babies playing in the park. Well, let's use our rule, drop the Y and add IES. So I would start with B, oh sorry friends, that's not coming out. B, A, B, I, E, S. So I dropped, let me fix that for you a little bit. I dropped the Y and added IES to make babies. Now, the next word, puppy, same rule. Say I wanted to make the word puppies. It ends with Y. I drop it and add IES. Go ahead and find a piece of paper and a pencil, and I want you to try to make these into the plural form. That means more than one. Make puppy, say puppies. Make cherry, say cherries. And make bunny, say bunnies. Go ahead and do that now. I'm also going to do it, and then we're going to compare our answers. Go ahead. So don't forget that rule, drop Y and add IES. So I'm doing that to each of these nouns because they end with Y, and that's why it works. Okay, I'm just about ready. Are you ready? So here's our rule. Let's compare our answers. So this is what I came up with. How does yours look? You agree? Let's take a look at them again. So we left off with puppy, ends with Y. If we know there's more than one puppy, we want puppies. So I dropped the Y and added IES. Let's look at cherries. Did you do the same thing? I spelled the first part, I dropped the Y and added IES. Same thing with bunny. I dropped the Y and added IES. See if you can try a couple more nouns that you know end with Y and you want it to be more than one. Try to make a list, write them down for us just like this, and bring it to Miss Mendoza and I, and we'll be very proud. So thank you for watching, and we will see you soon. Bye everyone.